I started at Alpine Bank 11 years ago, right out of high school. I started as a teller.
She's told me she really wanted to move up and she wanted to go to school and be more.
The bank was very supportive of me going back to school. I had always kind of been into computers and the different software programs. I thought I had a knack for it, and maybe as a career that would be a good path for me.
Information technology traditionally has been a boys' club. I'm sure plenty of people told Pamela that a career in IT was not for her. It's a great career for anyone with talent. Pam's got it.
Mr. Blanchard was an instructor of mine. He was there for me with any help I needed on any class, whether it was his or if it was somebody else's.
She was always looking for the ways, well, if I could do this, what more can I do to get that extra step? It's the type of student that makes you want to go in and be an instructor because you know that they're going to take everything that you can give them. Sometimes you even have to say, Pamela, you know, I really don't know the answer to that one right now, but I'll get back to you on that.
I think Rockford Career College, in being able to tailor its classes to the student, has the staff and the faculty that want to see these students succeed. We are small enough to care, but we're large enough to offer the goods.
A lot of people don't know that we're an IT academy. A lot of people don't know that we're a Prometric testing center. We're the only one in the area. There's a lot of things about us that people don't know that should, because it might actually change their mind about what they want to be when they grow up. The Department of Labor is expecting computer and IT management employment to grow up to 26% through 2014. That's a lot of jobs.
Going to Rockford Career College really gave her the confidence to move up through the bank. I think it gave her confidence in what she does now.
Just precisely what we're meant to do is either move somebody up within their organization or get them that better job.
For me, Pam Dummer's knowledge has been huge in this area. Even though I'm Pam's supervisor, sometimes I do find myself coming to her and asking her questions. She has built such a great knowledge that, you know, we go to her for information and to help us out and see how we can improve areas within the department.
My job is very rewarding. What we do in cash management is critical to banking today. I get to work with computers and I get to work with people. I love it. The college taught me to be a hard worker, work for what you want.
Pamela Dummer is still a success story in the making. She's not done yet. She literally hit fast forward and has never slowed down since.